According to psychology, you can achieve anything in life if your mindset is in a good control. Psychology says, if you know what you're doing, you don't have to know what every other person is doing. Psychology says, if you're afraid of the world, you need to stop being afraid because no one gives a shit, really. According to psychology, you wouldn't find happiness if you're finding it in someone else. You can forget most of your problems immediately if there's harmony in your family. Psychology says, just like you, a lot of people have problems, a lot of people are depressed, a lot of people overthink about themselves on a regular basis. So relax, they aren't thinking about you. Now you can stop overthinking. According to psychology, people who do less and think more eventually ended up thinking and only thinking all the time. Psychology says staying unbothered in the situations that have no impact on anything is a self-care. People who once struggled a lot are now the best solution-oriented mindset people. According to psychology, doing things that are important improve mindset and made yourself to take action towards most of the things immediately. Psychology says living few feet away from toxic people can change your life. Psychology says if you respect your body, if you respect yourself, you cannot stop anybody from respecting you. According to psychology, if you're in a negative surrounding, stop surrounding there. Psychology says you can stop overthinking if you know you are in present and you still have time to accomplish a lot. According to psychology, people shouldn't underestimate an introvert. You won't understand anyone's advice until you start paying attention to your own. Psychology says normalize sometimes saying no even to your loved ones if needed. Psychology says you become powerful if you have powerful thoughts. Psychology says you can only succeed if you're the one who inspires you, if you're the one who you look up to. According to psychology, being able to handle anything that coming off as an obstacle in life is an upgrade. According to psychology, happiness is a state of mind, and if you desperately want to achieve it in the life full of realities, you can try pretending to be happy. It works. Psychology says being blessed never actually means to have everything in your hand. Sometimes you're blessed if you have the capability to let go. Not everyone desires the luxury, some actually desires freedom. Psychology says being around with people who are better than you is actually not toxic, but an advantage. According to psychology, your limits are in your mentality, not in society. Psychology says stop comparing yourself to people you don't know. Instead, compare your past self to the present, and your future will be the happiest. According to psychology, living your life unbothered in a flow, not minding the obstacles, is an upgrade. Psychology says sometimes distraction can destroy you, sometimes distractions can make you. According to psychology, minding your business instead of minding other people's bullshit is an upgrade. A study suggested motivation can be gone in months, in days, or even in seconds, but habits can turn you into a person that can never be gone mentally. According to psychology, forgiving and ignoring for a lifetime is a self-care. Psychology says tricking your brain into thinking that unhealthy food is not tasty at all will actually make the said food lose taste in your eyes.